Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum. We will be giving you insights on how Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum looks like inside it. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum is designed to get rid of stubborn dark spots and lighten tough areas of the body such as your armpit, elbows, knuckles, knees, the feet and your inner thighs. This serum will completely remove any form of hyperpigmentation on the skin. It is lightweight and easily absorbs into your skin. It is very potent and effective on the body. It deep cleanses your skin and leaves it feeling smooth, fresh and renewed. It does a good job in blending your skin complexion. It makes your skin very clear and even out your skin tone. Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum is made with Egyptian oil and comes in a 50 ml bottle well sealed. Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum is boldly imprinted on the bottle as well. If you have a sensitive skin and you want to use Egyptian Magic Whitening Serum, I advise you to mix it inside a lotion or a base cream before applying it onto your skin to prevent redness and irritation.